sa lahat ng tao makasalubong ko sa elevator, yung boss ko pa, si Tita Malu. Yun, kasi nasabihan ako ng soap na to mga months ago, pero may ginago sila, may mga inayos ko sila. So I think they're ready to pitch mga 2 weeks from now. That's what she said. So ako naman, I'm just following what the management says. And I'm just taking it easy now. Kumbaga parang I'm searching for change. And syempre, if you wanna change, you'd like to take your time. Hindi naman pwedeng if you want to grow with your career, nagmamadali ka, di ba? So, dun ako, mas more of growth ang hinahanap ko. And I think it's about time to accept different roles.
Drama yung nasa ko.
Yes.
Ngayon, ano yung gusto mong gawin ulit na role?
I mean, it's okay to do drama again, but more of a different level of drama. Kumbaga parang hindi yung usual na ginagawa ko. I just, di ba, yun naman lahat ng sagot ng mga artista, di ba? I just wanna do something different. And, yeah, and just, maybe I'm just waiting for that difference.
Pero